Hi guys, Piotr here, this is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel, beautiful view behind me, and we are going to discuss coin of the month in my opinion. Well, Mask.Network, and we are going to try to connect some dots between Elon Musk, between Twitter, Binance and CZ. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So, Mask.Network as a coin of the month. Let's start with the chart, then we are going to discuss a bit about what Mask.Network is, what's the vision, and then we will switch again to lower time frame charts. So, from the monthly chart perspective, we have very strong level of the possible support based on this combination over here, and based on the latest rally here with the retest and continuation possible higher, right? So as of now, we got the confirmation that the level around the $2 based on the monthly chart may work as a strong support eventually if we are going to see another pullback. Where we have the first resistance level, where we might see the possible supply, well, we hit that supply with this first rally over here, and we are talking about the levels above 6 towards 630, and that's the crucial level. So we have like $4 zone. So we can imagine that if we are going to make the upside break, we might rally another $4. In that case, it looks like we might hit the swing low which been broken over here. So 630 again, and then $10 as a near term from the monthly chart perspective, possible resistance, possible supply where we might see some kind of the selling pressure. So now let's have a look what we have when it comes to the information. On their website, Mask.io, we might see the information that the Mask is trying to be the portal to the new open internet. The vision here is to try to connect Web 2 with Web 3. Well, trying to make it the simplest possible way. What is Web 2? Web 2 is this type of the internet where you can share the information, where you can log into your social platforms using, for example, Gmail, right? With Web 3, we might do the same using our own decentralized wallet. But because of the huge community when it comes to the Web 2, Mask is trying to connect that by the installation of their Mask to the browser, right? In that case, we might have the possibility that we are going to have the bigger privacy, and we might benefit from Web 3 to the social media connection like Facebook and Twitter. Especially Twitter is going to be very important here because of this extension I mentioned a second ago, because of this installation to the web browser, all right? Important thing when it comes to the privacy, it might be that the messages are gonna be for the friend's eyes only, so they are gonna be encrypted, so that's very, very, very important. Well, so trying to make the connection between the traditional social media and try to make them compatible with the decentralized social media world. So that's the key feature here. When we are talking about the Mask and when we are talking about this extension, usually on their website there is some kind of the example with the connection to the Twitter. And that's why I've mentioned on the very beginning that we are going to try to connect these dots. Because, well, we know that Elon Musk is the owner of the Twitter, but when he was looking for the finance, for the way how to finance the Twitter takeover, with the helping hand came CZ and the Binance. So here we go. We have Elon Musk, CZ, and the Binance, all right? So that's very significant if we are going to add the Twitter. So the Musk might be very significant project. There you go, especially that there is another information. Then you may want to launch new project via ITO, initial Twitter offering. So you may want to make some kind of the crowdfunding of your project via initial Twitter offering. With this extension of the Mask, you are going to be able to send it directly crypto, all right, via Twitter. So crypto, Binance, okay, so we've got another connection. So if we are going to put it all together, like BNB, like Doge, for example, it was one of the coin of 2023 in my video. So suddenly, as you can see, we have plenty of this type of the connection when it comes to the Elon Musk Twitter, CZ and Binance, and this picture is getting much more clear, I think, right now. What's more when it comes to the Musk? Well, it's a possibility. It's going to be possible to build in the social trading tools. We are going to have a possibility without the switching to check the, for example, crypto prices. You might want to verify NFT avatars, right? You might want to create your own Web3 profile, okay? You may even want to make the shop at social marketplaces like NFT buying via OpenSea using the crypto. So all those dots are suddenly connecting, and the last not least is store your files on the centralized network. So there are not gonna be single point of failure like we have with the Google Cloud or Microsoft Cloud, where there is a centralization. Here you are going to have the decentralized network. So it's going to be very easy, and then finally unwrap fiat easily, meaning the switch between the, for example, US dollar and some kind of the crypto directly via credit card or bank transfer in over 60 countries. That's the huge development. All right, so we know what the mass is. We know from the monthly chart perspective where we are currently. So let's switch lower. Let's switch to the weekly chart here. And well, as you can see, we are trying, after the huge rally, we are trying to consolidate between the levels we were discussing on the monthly chart, so between 2 and 630, and as of now, it's very similar to what we've seen there. Again, move above 630, weekly close above this may open a $10 level very, very easily, right? As long as we are holding above 2, that's the significant development. So now let's have a look what we have when it comes to the daily chart. There you go. Lately we are trying to hold the latest breakout level. I'm going to explain in a second. We took out this a little bit of the rally from where we made new low, and from here we made the breakout. So latest pullback, hold 350, 340. So short-term price action, watch 340, 330 if you wanna be the more active trader over here, with the possibility to rise towards 630 as we discussed. And if we are going to get the daily close, let's say below 3 on a daily chart, that might suggest we are going to see deeper pullback. So from that perspective, you may want to narrow your stop, and you wanna try to navigate in that way on the chart. So guys, Mask.Network, coin of the month. As usual, please do your own research, do your own homework before risking real money. And again, wish you great next trading session. See you around. Take care and goodbye.